welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a product that broke my skin out, and at first I was in love with this product, and then the whole tables turned when it broke me out. And not only that, it made my skin super oily. And the product I'm talking about is from Pixi, and it's their Glow Tonic. I got this as a sample size in the Ipsy bag. I had ordered the Ipsy bag, did it one time because I was trying to get points for a game. So weird. Anyway, I ordered the Ipsy bag. This came in it. I've been wanting to try this product out for the longest, but this bottle, like the size that they sell in Target, is $15, and I just could never wrap my head or my wallet around pretty much buying it. So I've always wanted to try this, especially because everyone talked about how great it was, how great it was at getting rid of like dark marks and things like that. And that is what I really wanted. I've been trying to really get rid of like some of the dark marks and even my skin tone, and this product right here is what people rate that it did. So I've always wanted to try it. Then I finally got a chance to try it. When I tried this out the very first day, I noticed my skin looked so much brighter. So I'm like, okay, I like this product. Day 2, extremely bright skin, so I went to Target and I grabbed it. On day 3, my skin started breaking out. Like, I literally had bumps, and it's actually starting to heal now, but I had like bumps here and then all these little bumps over here. At first I thought maybe I'm breaking out because my cycle is due soon. You know, my period's coming on in like a week and a half or so. So I was thinking maybe that's what's causing the breakouts, but I know like what my skin normally does around that time, and I never gotten little bumps and stuff like around my cheek area. I normally get like, you know, huge bumps. You know, if you, all the women out there, if you get, you know, period acne or whatever, you know how you get like those big bumps sometimes, or you never get like, I never get like little tiny red bumps on my face. And I don't even know if you guys can still see it, probably not. A lot of it is going away, but I'm just like, okay, what did I do different? And it was incorporated in this. So I started to think maybe this product is just pulling out the impurities and it's getting the things out of my face. So I was like, I'll continue to use it and see if it gets better. The more I used it, I started to notice that my skin was becoming extremely oily. Like, I have slightly oily skin, but not how my skin looked. Like, literally it was extremely oily. Like, I could touch my skin and my entire finger looked like I dipped my hand in oil. It was so oily, and I'm just like, okay, this product is not working out for me. Like, has anybody else experienced this? So I went onto Pixi's actual website, and everyone's review is like 5 stars. Like, I couldn't find any bad reviews on this product. So I'm like, okay, so am I the only person who's experiencing this? No one else seems to be experiencing this. Everyone has great reviews about the product. So I go onto Target's website, which is where I bought the full-size bottle from, and like one of the 3rd or 4th comment on there, someone said that this product broke them out. So I was like, thankfully I'm not alone, because it broke me out as well. So then I knew exactly that it was this product, because this, again, this was the only thing that I changed differently. I normally use my witch hazel to tone my skin, but when I got this as a sample, I always wanted to try it. So I tried it out, and I guess my skin didn't care for it. Broke my skin out and made it extremely oily. Like, you can see right now, my skin is not oily at all. When I tell you, I really wish I would have took a picture. I wasn't even thinking at the time, because I was actually at work when I noticed how oily my skin was. I wish I would have took a picture so you guys could see. But this product is a no for me. I'm not sure how many of you guys have actually tried this product out, but if you did, let me know if you experienced anything that I had experienced in the comments down below. Sorry, like, my voice is getting crazy because I just literally recorded another video and I was talking too much. So again, if you try this product out, let me know if it broke you out, or if you're interested in trying this product out. I would say go ahead, because it does literally give you brighter skin. But if you happen to experience breakouts or oily skin, just know that it is this product, and you're not the only person that experienced this. But other than that, like, if this didn't break me out and it didn't cause me to get really oily skin, I would have continued to use this product, because my skin was literally glowing, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this product is amazing. But unfortunately, it's just not for me. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I breathe.